Granite and marble countertops are out. Quartz countertops are in. That's in large part because of how durable and easy to care for quartz is versus marble and granite.
But low maintenance don't mean no maintenance. Here are 6 do's and 6 don'ts for your quartz countertop care. Don't place hot objects on the surface.
Quartz takes heat in the kitchen pretty well, but scalding pans hot off the stove or out of the oven can cause cracking and burn marks.
Don't cut, slice, or chop directly on the counter.
Quartz is scratch resistant, but it's not knife proof.
Don't clean with harsh surface cleaners.
That includes bleach, Clorox spray, and other strong chemicals, as well as vinegar, lemon juice, and other acidic substances that can damage your finish.
Don't use abrasive fabrics or materials.
Steel wool, scouring pads, stiff bristled brushes, and other implements can cause small, unsightly scratches.
Don't let spills become stains.
Red wine, coffee, tea, food coloring, acidic spaghetti sauce, or tomato paste, as well as strong spices, will cause unsightly stains, as will non-food related menaces like permanent marker. Even standing water can cause ugly spots.
And finally, don't use stone sealant sprays.
Quartz isn't porous like those other stone-based countertop materials, sparing you from having to seal it.
Conversely,
do protect your countertops from heat damage. Set searing hot pots, pans, and kettles on a pot holder, trivet, or at least a kitchen towel. Do mind your meal prep. Use a cutting board or some other buffer between blade and counter. Do use soap and water to clean. A mild liquid dish soap and water are all you need for regular cleaning. Do clean with soft fabrics and materials. Microfiber cloths or soft sponges are best. Do wipe up spills promptly to prevent staining. A wet rag or sponge followed by a dry towel should suffice. And finally, do treat stubborn stains. If dish soap doesn't do the trick, try mixing baking soda and water into a stain-sapping paste.
And if you learned something there, please like and share.